Hello everyone, this is Muzammil in front of you, and we are here conducting a podcast on which we will talk about how to become a software engineer. So there are two experts with me. One is the Hassan Ansar, and second one is the Usman. So here we talk about there are several questions which we'll discuss in this podcast. So how to become a software engineer, and so let's start this whole podcast with several questions. So tell me about yourself.
Hello guys, my name is Usman. I am here to explain about software engineering. So I am excited to be here today talking about this topic. I'm a self-taught software engineer and I know it can be a daunting task to get started, but it's definitely possible and I am here to help.
Okay, so introduce yourself.
I am a software engineer with having a 10 year of experience. I have seen a lot of changes in this industry, but the basic is same.
Yeah, that's great. So let me ask one question. What is a software engineer?
A software engineer is who design, develop and test software applications.
Okay.
They use their knowledge of programming languages and computer science to create software that solves real world problems.
Okay. Do you have any suggestions?
Software engineers are in high demand, and the job in the market is expected to grow much faster than average in the year.
Okay, so can you tell me how to become a software engineer, a successful software engineer?
Yeah, so there are few different paths you can take. One option is to get a degree in computer sciences. They will give you a solid foundation in the fundamentals of software engineer. There are different paths you can take. The one option is that to get a degree in computer science. This will give you a solid foundation in fundamentals of software engineers.
Okay, so do you have
I have another option to go to the coding bootcamp. Bootcamp are intensive program that teach you the skills you need to become a software engineer in short period of time.
Whichever path you choose, it is important to have a strong portfolio of work. This could include personal projects, contribution to open source project or internships.
Okay, that's great. So what do you think that any software engineers, what kind of skills of software engineers to have?
Some of the most important skills for a software engineer to have are problem solving skill
Okay,
and analytical skills and communication skills.
okay, that's great. So what are your thoughts on this?
Yeah, he is right. It is important to be able to learn new things quickly and to be adaptable to the new things.
Okay, that's good. You're right. What, Usman, tell me what's the job management and what is the job demand for software engineers? So, like, if I'm becoming a software engineer, so what will be my demand in different industries like software houses and Microsoft, we can say companies.
Yeah.
So, can you tell me about this?
Okay, Muzammil, I tell you, the job market of software engineers is very, very, very good. There are more jobs than there are qualified candidates.
Okay, so do you have any points on this?
Yeah, the average salary of a software engineer is also very, very good. Software engineers are among the most highly paid professional in the world.
So there you have it. So that's a crash course on how to become a software engineer.
Yeah, Muzammil, if you are interested in becoming a software engineer, I encourage you to start learning today.
Okay.
There are many resources available online and other websites. Yeah, Muzammil, if you are interested in becoming a software engineer, I encourage you to start learning today. There are many resources available on online online libraries and other websites.
And I think there are several online courses.
Yeah, of course.
Some institutes are offering online courses on Google. I
Yeah,
think.
I
Yeah.
think so. I have
It is good
a lot
things.
of coding skills in YouTube.
Okay. So what do you think that if we are becoming a software engineer, so which language will be the best for learning? Python, and there are C Sharp, C++, Java, and I think we're seeing in some different institutes that now the Java is becoming the most popular programming language as I experienced. But what would be your points on that?
Yeah, Muzammil, the worldwide top language is Java. In Java you can also work on iOS applications and also web development. So, and the second number application is Python. It is very easy to become a software engineer in coding.
I think if any people is learning Python language, so he can learn all the things like he can create web designs also.
Yeah.
And but if a person is learning Java language, so he can't learn any other thing. So he will be stuck in that language. But as he said that Java has a high demand in iOS, and I think it will be more expensive than more expensive salaries than Python
Yeah.
developers. So what will be your thoughts on that?
Yeah, he is right that Java is the worldwide working on iOS system. If you are learning Java, you can do everything. You can know how that variables, data types are coming.
Okay, so Usman, let's example that I am a software engineer. Okay, so
Yeah.
I am going to give an interview in any software house, in any software company. So what will be the main objects and main questions will be asked to me that as a software engineer? What kind of questions they will ask to me?
Okay, Muzammil, the first question about your job is that you have a skill in coding.
Yeah.
Okay. The first question is that, and the second question is that they can task you to show your skills in coding, and also some question about other websites and other
Yeah.
languages.
Of languages. So what will be your points on that? That if as a software engineer, if I do an interview to the company, so what kind of questions they will ask for me?
They will ask for in which language you are highly recommended, in which language you have, which language you are highly recommended, and in which you have a command. If you have a command on Java, they are Java company, they can highly recommend you. If you have a command on Python, they can highly recommend you.
Okay, what do you think that Usman?
Yeah.
What do you think that what kind of we can say skills we should have to become a software engineer? For example, some of the companies they ask that you should know about Java language, and some of the companies they only demand that we don't know a Java developer, we only need a Python language developer. So what do you think that which language skills we should have?
Yeah, Muzammil, it depends upon company portfolio that which language he can take in their websites. So it totally depends upon company portfolio. Muzammil, this question is totally about company portfolio, that which language they can use in their applications and iOS softwares and web developments.
Okay, so the main thing is I think we should first see the requirements of company in which we are going to give an interview. So
Yes, you're right.
So if we are seeing that they are demanding Java, and we don't have the skills for Java, so we can't.
We can't
Yeah,
go to
yeah,
the-
yeah.
go
We
here,
can't
so,
go to
okay.
outside. Yeah.
Okay, so another thing is, what do you think that by learning Java we can control AI?
Yeah, of course, of
we
course.
can control it.
So how? Like, do you have any examples?
We can know the everything's variable, data types, integer. In Java, we can learn everything from the basic.
No. So Hassan, my question is to you that what do you think that by learning AI tools, as a student of software engineer, by learning AI tools, I can get command on Java or any other language?
Yes, we can get command on Java, but we cannot develop ourselves basic learning. We cannot.
So you can say that we will be a copy paster and
Copy paste.
And what do you think that does AI give an accurate code for any program or?
Sometimes it gives an accurate code, but sometimes it can't because you can change some points, lines.
What do you think that, for example, if I know AI very, we can say, very accurately, if I am giving any accurate input to the AI chatbot, and so what do you think that which outcome will be I will face?
Yeah, it will give us an accurate result if we are good learner of promote engineer. If we know how to use an AI tools, so we can get an accurate answer.
So the conclusion is that we will become a software engineer, but with this on the other end, we should know about the AI tools.
Yeah.
By seeing the future technologies, so we think and we believe that AI is the main root and the main tool for the any software developer or
Yeah, of
any
course, yes.
database engineer, for any also any programmer. So do you agree on this?
Yeah, I am also agree with you.
Okay, so let's end up our podcast here, and hope you guys enjoy very well, and you will learn very important things from this podcast. And we always try best to give you. So likely we are going to end this podcast here, and we are very thank you to you. So you gave us time, and especially thanks to Usman and Hassan. They both came here and gave their precious time, and they elaborate the things about Java programming, AI chatbots, and the technologies, software technologies, and other things which are yet to come.
Yeah.
So thank you very much for watching this video.
We will
Watching
meet
this
you.
video.
In next video.
We will meet
Inshallah.
you in next video. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz and take care. Keep watch. Keep
Thank you,
share.
Allah Hafiz.